In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Telegram. We'll do this using Telegram Desktop, so if you're on a computer and want some quiet while you work or study, you're in the right place. By the end, your Telegram won't ping or pop up for private chats, group conversations, or channel updates, and you can always turn things back on later if you change your mind. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. You can launch it from your Start menu on Windows, your Applications folder or dock on Mac OS, or your App list on Linux. Give it a moment to load so the main chat list appears. Next, look to the very top left corner of the Telegram window. You'll see a small icon with three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click that to open Telegram's main menu. A side panel will slide out with several options. From this menu, click Settings. This takes you to a dedicated area where you can customize how Telegram behaves on your desktop, including privacy, appearance, and of course, notifications. Inside Settings, select Notifications and Sounds. This is where you control what Telegram alerts you about and how it alerts you. You'll see categories that separate different types of activities so you can fine-tune exactly what gets through. To silence everything, turn off notifications for private chats, then turn off notifications for groups, and finally turn off notifications for channels. Each of these options has its own switch. When the switch is off, Telegram will stop sending alerts for that category on this computer. Private chats are one-on-one conversations, groups are multi-person chats, and channels are broadcast-style feeds you follow. Once these three switches are off, new messages will arrive quietly in the background. Nothing is deleted and you won't miss any content. You'll simply see messages when you choose to open Telegram. This is great if you need focus time without interruptions or if you prefer to check messages on your own schedule. A quick note on scope. These changes apply to Telegram Desktop on this device. If you also use Telegram on your phone or another computer, those devices will keep their current notification settings unless you adjust them there too. If you ever want notifications back, return to the same place. Settings, then Notifications and Sounds, and toggle private chats, groups, or channels back on. You can enable just one or two categories if you only want alerts for certain types of messages. That's it. You've turned off Telegram notifications on your desktop while keeping all your chats intact and easy to access when you're ready.